This is my mobile phone and I'm currently running MT4 on it. Now we all know that the mobile version has limitation. You have access to fewer indicators, which are only the indicators available on the app, and you won't be able to run any EA with the mobile app. Using the PC version, you have more features. To make this work, you need one thing, which is a Windows computer that is always on and connected to the internet. That's where VPS comes in. So what I'm using right now, you're seeing on my screen, is a VPS. With this, I'm able to run my MetaTrader 4 as well as my MetaTrader 5 trading platform. And with this VPS, I am able to get a Windows PC that helps me run all my trading. And I can manage this from anywhere, both my computer and my mobile phone. So I have created a full video with everything you need to do on how to get this VPS for free. I'll leave the link in the description of this video and at the end of this video. So the main tutorial shows you how to get the free VPS with Amazon Web Services. Now all you need to do is watch that video and in under 30 minutes you have your free VPS set up. And after watching that video, you will know how to set it up as well as add the MetaTrader 4 setup on the VPS. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to this channel and have the post notification turned on.